This is a simple and fast unboxing of the PERPOTAO H11 Halogen Bulbs 3800K 2-pack. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, and let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
All right, so as we get the box open, I'm just going to kind of show you this. I want to be very clear that I'm not going to show the installation or anything like that. I want to just show what they look like, show the, it comes with 2 fuses for you to work with, as well as the actual, light bulbs. But a few quick, ways to figure out which bulb is right for you. First and foremost, you need to check your owner's manual for the right fit to make sure that, you can install these properly. You can always look at the original bulb that's in there right now and compare them. And then there's always, like, on Amazon, for example, there's an Amazon garage to make sure it fits, and there's other online websites that'll allow you to do that. But I just kind of wanted to show you what they look like up close, give you a feel for what they look like, and then allow you to make the decision of whether you think that they'd be a good fit for you. So again, hopefully this video helps. I know I'm not sharing much. Sure, I'm going to get lit up by people who say, "Oh, nice review" and all that stuff. But this is really just an online unboxing, not anything more than that. Just wanted to share what they look like.